This tutorial is for downloading and using the CoConstruct mobile app and how to clock in and clock out using the time clock function. First, go to either the Apple App Store or Google Play and download the CoConstruct app. You can see the icon here, and that's what you'll find there. So once you download it, you will notice in your email, we will send you a reset for your password. Reset your password, and then you can go ahead and open your app and log in. It's a little slow, but you know, wowza. You're going to click the time clock function on the bottom here, and then you're going to choose a project. So this one here, I am going to just say that I'm working at Whale Point today, and you're going to choose your activity, and that is your labor code. So are you an interior trim labor or are you a site supervisor? Most of you will be doing interior trim labor unless you're literally a site sup. So please keep that in mind. Don't use any of the other codes, just interior trim. Then you're going to choose your time type, and this is regular time, or you'll have sick time or vacation to choose from. Just use your regular time, and then choose clock in. Please be sure to allow CoConstruct to access your device's location so we can see when you're clocking in and clocking out, as it will notify if you are doing these activities not on the actual job site. If you run into any issues where you will need to, after you've clocked out and you need to make a note, like maybe you clocked in, you forgot to clock in, right here's where you can add a note to that and say, forgot to clock in, if that's typing correctly. Oh, it's not really, but that's close enough. Clock in at 8 a.m. And then if you'll let Siobhan know, as well as making that note, I can change those, edit those times for you, or your supervisor will be able to do that as well. So you'll clock in and you'll clock out. Clock in at the beginning of the day, clock out for your lunch, clock back in, based on the rules of your job site. And that is how you use CoConstruct for time clock. You can check your entries here. Those will show you all of your clock in and clock out times, and it'll give you your total hours. You won't see everybody, you just see everybody here because that's my admin login. So if you have any questions or any issues with your time clock, please feel free to contact Siobhan or Emily, and we'll be happy to walk you through. Thanks so much.